I guess I could go down there and use these. The LG 77.5. 15 pounds, 7 inch. Is that right? It's like I wonder if that's actually right.
Well, if it spins clockwise, it'll be right.
Oh, okay, I see it. Still not if I Okay, let's get on board and press the play.
Yep. Tackling things in a logical order. Trust me.
I guess actually we are. Were we? What if they're like mixing on Pandora? Well, they must be mixing on Pandora.
Yeah, because it just changed. Wait, no?
Oh, that's the same song.
Yeah.
The Ananda Project, Cascades of Color.
Holy crap.
What?
It's almost 8.
Yeah, I'd say you'll be home by 2+. It's old, but
It's the hotness.
3.0.
Yeah. Easily overclockable with this cooler from what I read.
Yeah, I bet we can get it. If we can get to 4 gigahertz, that'd be awesome.
That gives me hope for at home too, dude. Because it's actually hotter in here than it is at my house usually, so.
Sure. That's what I was thinking.
Yeah. That's it. But it's closed completely, man.
Awesome. Thermal.
Yeah, there's some old stuff there, dude.
Old style? Beer? Where?
No, I said old stuff. Like
Give me some
paste.
beer. So is this board Armade?
Huh?
Is this an Armade board?
No. Oh wait, yeah, that one. This one has only been used once, and that was the yeah. Yeah, so it's pretty much a brand new one. Just right, man. I wish I brought my old debit card. I think it goes the other way, man.
Think so?
Yep.
Oh, the fan.
Yeah.
Down there.
Don't need to cut out the hole in the side of the case. And it uses the standard AM2 locking mechanism too, which is going to be a deuce to reach for.
Yeah. Actually, it sounds.
Partying with DDR2, baby.
Yeah, party.
Dance Dance Revolution 2.
DDR, TDK.
That's what it would be, man.
Probably try to keep the cat aside. Well, she's a bug killer. Yeah, she tries to keep the cat aside. She gets on the window.
Yeah.
There's no screen, and she leans out like 20, 30 feet from the ground.
That's awesome.
I'm like, Lily, don't do it. Lily, don't. Don't do it, Lily.
Ram installed, man.
What with these drives too, because the faceplate's on one side. You know what I mean? They got that cool logo. I love that logo.
It's pretty sleek, dude.
I'm tired of that.
Let me give you some of that again. And done. Look at how professional and plush that looks.
Actually, it does. On camera. Oh.
First boot successful. What does it read for the CPU, man? AMD unknown. We can update the BIOS. We can roll with it. So yeah, it works. Wow.
All of it up, man. Yep.
First boot. We got Windows XP and one of these.
Shut the door in the cat so she can get downstairs and shit, okay?
Alright. We're cranking through Windows as we speak. Hopefully.
Move that CD down.
What you got it in, dude?
Top.
Well, there. One down. Well, I mean, we bought 5 drives. What the? There. Hey, what? There it is. I was about to say, which one you got set up to read first is what I was going to ask. Oh my god. This video is going to be grainier than his. I hope you want me to scramble your...
Is that a UV blue? It looks like it, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does. Of course, that could be light reflecting from your blue fan.
Yeah, there's one here too.
You want me to scramble your face?
Yeah.
That way the CIA won't be able to identify, you know. They got de-scrambling technology
Who the
anyway.
hacker is? Who is the hacker?
Plus, this recording is actually pretty scrambled too, so. So after a cool, I would say what, 30, 45 minutes, we installed Windows XP to the desktop.